Ever heard of Monese? Let's talk about the bank behind it, but there isn't one. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of challenger banks, those new, tech-savvy financial institutions shaking things up for traditional banks. You might have heard of some of the big names like Revolut, Starling, or N26, but have you come across Monese? Monese is a popular option for immigrants and expats, offering mobile-first banking with features like multi-currency accounts and international transfers. But there's one thing that sets Monese apart from many other challenger banks. It's not actually a bank itself. Wait, what? Yes, you read that right. Monese doesn't hold a traditional banking license. So, what's the deal then? Let's unpack this interesting situation and see how Monese works its magic. Monese, the non-bank challenger. So, if Monese isn't a bank, how does it offer all those banking-like services? The answer lies in partnerships. Monese essentially acts as an e-money institution, working with licensed banks and financial institutions behind the scenes. Here's a simplified breakdown. Your Monese account. This is where you deposit and manage your funds. Partner banks. Monese partners with various banks in different regions, depending on regulations. For example, in the European Economic Area, EEA, they might partner with a bank like Paysera Lithuania UAB. Safeguarding your money. The partner banks hold your deposited funds in safeguarded accounts, separate from Monese operational accounts. This means your money is protected even if something happens to Monese. What does this mean for you, the user? There are a few key things to consider when using Monese non-bank model. Regulation. Since Monese relies on partner banks, the regulations and protections might differ slightly compared to a traditional bank account. It's always a good idea to understand the terms and conditions and how your money is safeguarded. Features and limitations. The features offered by Monese might be subject to the capabilities of their partner banks. For instance, some features available in one region might not be available in another. Customer service. While Monese provides customer support, any bank-related issues might need to be directed to the partner bank involved. So, is Monese safe? Monese implements security measures to protect your account and data. Partner banks are also regulated institutions, and your funds are typically held in segregated accounts. However, traditional bank deposit insurance schemes might not apply directly to your Monese account. The verdict: Monese, a challenger with a twist. Monese offers a convenient and often cheaper alternative to traditional banking, especially for those who need international features. Their non-bank model comes with some considerations, but overall, it can be a good option depending on your needs. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Do your research. Before using any financial service, understand the terms and conditions, fees, and how your money is protected. Consider your needs. Think about what features are important to you in a bank account and choose the option that best suits you. Stay informed. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so keep yourself updated on regulations and any changes to Monese services. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and make smart choices with your finances.